So you must be thinking, okay, a money mindset coach is needed by somebody who is in a working profession or somebody who's a homemaker or somebody maybe who is even running a business. Manish has spoken about the subject in his past videos. But why exactly should I go to a money mindset coach? Why not go to somebody who can directly teach me about investments or managing my money or something that's more practical? That's a good question, and I'll try to answer that for you in today's video. Hello and namaste, I'm Manish Ahuja, the owner and founder of Paycheck to Profit, an ecosystem which is being created to help you understand your relationship with money, to help you strengthen your mindset of money, to help you eventually learn how to manage your money and also invest and grow your money. So the whole concept of Paycheck to Profit is to help you everything to do with your money, be it how to manage to earn your money better or how to spend your money better, invest your money better, grow your money better, anything and everything to do with money. So why do I actually speak so strongly about money mindset, and why do I think you should consider money mindset over any other form of financial coaching? A very big disclaimer, I am a money mindset coach, so I'm obviously going to talk to you about my point of view, and that's my opinion. This does not mean that I look down upon any other coach who is, probably teaching you how to manage their money better or how you should invest and grow your money. That's not my purpose. For that matter of fact, I am extremely respectful, and I think we have a lot less coaches than we need in this country and in the world at large. So I have no problem for you to choose any coach that suits you. However, the reason why I chose to become a money mindset coach over anything else is very simple. How can you learn to prepare for a marathon if you don't even know how to walk properly? That's the reason that I'm trying to bring to your notice over here. My main reason to start money mindset coaching. See, I can very well talk to you about investments. I come from a business family. I'm an MBA in finance. I have a equity portfolio which is profitable for the last decade or more. I've been helping other clients and other family members manage their money and invest their money in various instruments. I keep getting calls from multiple people with regards to where can they invest their money, which I tell them I'm not going to tell you, and I'll talk to you about that in some other video. The reason why I am looking at money mindset over anything else is simply because money mindset is the foundation of everything to do with money. Only when you know how exactly is your relationship formed with money, how exactly can you create a good foundation for yourself, will you be in a much better state to manage your money better. Once you've learned how to manage your money better, will you be in a better state to learn how to invest and grow your money? It's a step-by-step process. And that's the only reason why I vehemently talk about. Obviously, there's a bias. Obviously, if I am talking about money mindset, I'm also talking about my coaching. But have you look at any of my videos? I have never said that any other coach is bad. Yes, I have spoken about some practices in the coaching industry which you should be well aware of, but I have no problem for you to choose and decide that okay, you don't need money mindset coaching. Fair enough. If you need to learn how to invest your money better, please go ahead and get yourself an investment coach. But be careful about the kind of coaches that you take, because in my earlier video, as I told you, a lot of investment coaches will make promises which are going to be extremely misleading. So be very careful. The least you can do is just watch my earlier video and get some better perspective. But I hope this video has given you some idea and thought process on why do I feel that money mindset is the first step that you need to invest in yourself, and with regards to your coaching when it comes to the whole concept of having a better relationship with your money. How exactly does Paycheck to Profit help you with that? Who exactly am I to even teach you all of this? And why do I feel so strongly about this subject is something that I'm going to be covering in my next few videos. So just in case if you are new here and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. And if you've liked this video, if you've got just one new idea, and if you're watching this video until right now, you've somehow resonated with something that I have mentioned in this video, right? So just take 5 seconds and like this video. If you have any questions regarding money, there's a comment section just below the like button. Just ask ahead. Go ahead and ask me a question. Tell me, how can I help you with money? Tell me what's your biggest fear of money. Let's talk about money. Let's make it a topic which is not so taboo to talk about, and let's help each other understand our relationship and strengthen our relationship with money. I hope this has been a good one for you. I'll now see you in the next video. Until then, please keep smiling, take care of your loved ones, and stay happy. Ka-ching!